Hey y'all, we back. About to get another look off the ground, starting with the concealer. Yes, honey. Come in with that L'Oreal concealer in the shade. I think it's chestnut, but I'm really not sure. Go ahead. Knock this foundation out real fast, quick and in a hurry. Y'all, why did my skin look so good? Why does it look so good? This was a good makeup day for me. This concealer though, it's just bomb. But I need another one to try, so give me another one to try. We're just gonna put this concealer pretty much everywhere and then blend it out. I'm surprised I didn't put it on my eyes. It's cool. Okay, boom. I spoke too soon. Yeah, we're gonna keep it. Blend it. Okay, this is actually really taking a long time. Why did I was probably taking my time this day. It's not had nothing to do. Okay. And that mouth and knee. The loop chin. Y'all, why does this just look so good to me? Am I tripping or no? No, I feel like I'm not even tripping. I feel like it looks really, really good. Oh. Okay, so this must have been, full makeup, add that extra concealer and blend that out, kind of brighten up that eye a little bit. And some setting powder, which is the loose finishing powder from Maybelline that I would use. Well, I used kind of a lot, but I know it's gonna blend out together in the end, but it kind of did look like a lot. And with wearing this face mask, y'all, sometimes I go a little overboard with the powder because it's been helping. I know this is gonna make me look really crazy. I put that powder in the eyebrows. But I need to set up because sometimes my eyebrows be looking a little oily later in the day, so this helps. Yes, you powdered donut, you do that. Powder donut, can y'all say it with me? Okay, she's looking real chalky like right now. Get a little bit of contour. I just use a darker shade of that loose finishing powder for that. There's a lot of things I guess I could use, but this was just the thing that I like the most, and it lasts a long time for me since this is the only thing that I use it for. When I bought it, it was originally too dark for my full face. I tried to put it all over. Y'all should have seen that. Blush, baby. Okay. Y'all be smiling when y'all put y'all's blush on too, or no? That's just me. That looks super creepy. Okay, but that looks good though. Okay, see, I don't even look as powdery anymore. Blend that in. Blend that blush in. True complexion, black radiance, a little bit of highlight today. I see we feeling it. I just started back using that fan brush, and that face was disgusting. But yeah, that brush has become my new little friend. Okay, we're doing some eyeliner. Hopefully this turns out good. This is a little process for me, y'all. And I be trying to make sure that I don't have it like too far up. Eyeliner looks good on my eyes when it's not like super diagonal, but when it's more going outer. I don't really know how to describe it, but I know what I'm talking about. Well, y'all gonna see. And I'd be scared to use too much eyeliner. However, that's what I really want to do. So you see how I'm trying to make it a little bit thicker, little by little, and then I go and do the rest later after that. You see, nothing to it but to do it. Yeah, this is definitely a process, especially with liquid eyeliner, and this is waterproof. You gotta take your time. Take your time. Yes, oh my gosh. Alright, I just showed y'all the finish because y'all didn't need to see that twice. That was a process. And then I wanted to really do a red lip so bad, so when I do that, I start off using a color. If I don't have a red lip liner, I start off using kind of like a lighter color just so I can kind of see where I need to stop at for my lips, so I don't go over like this lighter line, but you won't be able to tell, and I can fix that a little later. So yeah, that's what that's all about. And then my Stila Beso liquid lipstick, y'all, it's running out, but I was still trying to hold on to it and use it a little bit. I really just need to go buy another one, but I don't think I've been seeing it, so I mean, I don't really know. I need to go look for another one, or if y'all want to send me one, because I love Stila's lip. Okay, I love y'all's lip collection. You see, it worked a little bit. It's not like gone, but girl, it's enough. It can look way better than that when you first apply it. So that's just how you know that it's kind of getting to the nitty gritty that I was trying to work with this. But mainly I was just using this to kind of like do another outline of my lips, so that I could get, I could just get that precision. Careful, girl, careful. I be taking my time. I'm not trying to mess up no red and get that all over my face. Okay. And then after this, I have the M.A.C Ruby Red lipstick, so I just use that over top just to kind of really give me some poppin' red lips. I don't know what it is about red lipstick, but I love it so much. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, how can I not be happy with this? I love red lipstick, especially on black people. I mean, it looks good on, I think, just about anybody, but look at that brown skin girl. Okay, I'm not gonna sing for y'all because no, but this looks good. It makes me want to sing. Oh my gosh, why does that look so good? I'm just trying to fix whatever didn't look right, but honestly, I really just want to add more and more and more and more and more, as if it could possibly get any more better than this. That looks so good to me. Ruby Red, y'all remember that? Ruby Red or Stila Beso until I find another red that I like. Then this is what we rocking with for like a minute. I love both of these. This Ruby Red was matte, in case y'all didn't know. Yeah. Motto, okay. Okay, girl, can you take your hair down and let's go. There we go. Oh my god. This is poppin'. Tell me it ain't. Just tell me it ain't. Because it is. Okay. Whatever. Well, thank y'all for watching this video. Come back and see your girl. This is the finished look. If you want what looks like this, let me know in the comments section below. But other than that, it's a wrap. Bye.